Good morning, students. Now I'm going to take in social science unit 2 lesson name is towards history. Towards history. Students, what is history? History is nothing but it is the record of the past. It is the record of the past. In this lesson we are going to study about the past historical events of man. How he lived in the early age. What are all the tools and weapons he used in early period. First topic is Stone Age. Stone Age. On that time humans used some tools and weapons. Humans some used tools and weapons. But they were not aware of any weapons or metals during the early period. They were not aware of any weapons or metals during the early period. They took several years to invent tools and weapons. But they are also not aware of scripts. Scripts means papers or pen. Likewise, they are not aware of that scripts during that period. In that Stone Age period, many stones and weapons they were invented. They were used many stones and weapons. Understand? So this is the Stone Age. Coming back to the next, nature of human evolution. Nature of human evolution. In what is the nature of human evolution means? On that period, humans they lived in jungles. Lived in jungles along with the animals. In animals only they have lived. They used stone tools. They used stone tools to protect them from animals. But to protecting themselves from animals, they have used stone tools. Next is they drive away from animals. They dig roots and they safely protect them from animals. They eat everything, whatever they got, they have eat for their hungry. They eat flesh also. But in the beginning they will not use any fire. They don't know that fire is used for cooking. Likewise in this period. But in the beginning stage they will not use any fire. They were not aware of fire. First they used what means dog. Dog only first was they have used. It is a good companion for them. After that later only they have used cattle. Used cattle, goat, sheep, likewise. But they are not harm. They are useful to them to live a life. They were useful to them to lead a proper life. Then only after that only they have observed grains. That in riverside. Observe grains in riverside. Then after eating that they have looked that it was very tasty. They were looked that it was very tasty and it was eaten by birds also. Then after grain they also observe that grains are grown by the due to sunshine rainfall. Sunshine and rainfall only it was grown like that they have observed. Like this they have learned the art of cultivation. Like this only they have learned the art of cultivation. Then after learned the art of cultivation, they have noticed that forest fire. They were afraid of forest fire. Then only due to this forest fire only they found the animals were many dead. They were find that animals were dead due to fire, then eating flesh likewise. Then only they observed spark came out from scratching stones. By scratching the stones, both the stones, sparkle came out. Likewise only they have observed that. Next is museum. What does museum means? It is one of the place. It is a place where objects are rare and used by ancestors. So it is one of the place. In that place many historic people, many ancestors people, ancient people, they have used many objects that are kept in that place. Okay, that only is a place where objects are rare and used by ancestors. Okay, it gives information about the lives of people. It gives information what means how the early people lived in this world. Okay, it's like it's give information about the prehistoric lives of people, how they lived during that period. Okay, next important is information is to preserve remains in the past. Okay, important of this museum is what means to know their information, to know their past information. Okay, this is called museum. Okay, next is cultivation. Cultivation, early humans, they were not know to grow crops, how they grow crops are grown like this, they were not aware of that. Okay, so that they wander in search of food. Okay, so that they wander in search of food, they eat whatever they got, and then they drank water. Okay, whatever they have getting in their life, they ate that. Okay, and drank water. Okay, so this life is called nomadic life. Okay, during that period they lived is called nomadic life. Okay, on that period they wore leaves, skin of animals and box of trees. Okay, and box of trees to cover body. Okay, to safeguard them, they have wore leaves, skin of animals, box of trees to cover their body, to protect themselves from animals. Next, they lived in caves. Only humans, they lived in caves and holes of big trees. Okay, to safeguard them, they lived in caves and holes of big trees. Okay, those stones were sharpened. Okay, those stones were sharpened as tools. With the help of stones only, what they hunt animals, tear flesh of animals. Okay, tear flesh of animals, and they eat themselves. Next, they used stones, bones, horns, skin, branches of trees as tools and weapons. To make tools and weapons, they used these much of items. This is the next stage in development. Okay, this is the next stage of development. This developmental stage is called New Stone Age. New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. Okay, New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. Okay, so these are the cultivation they have developed during the New Stone Age. Okay, understand? Next is Stone Age. Okay, Stone Age. In the Stone Age, they are classified into three types of ages. Okay, first is Paleolithic Age, second Mesolithic Age, and third is Neolithic Age. Okay, Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, and Neolithic Age. Okay, so Paleolithic Age means it is Old Stone Age. It is Old Stone Age. This is 10,000 BCE years ago. Okay, BCE years ago. This is Middle Stone Age. It is before 8,000 BCE. Okay, and Neolithic Age is New Stone Age, 10,000 to 4,000 BCE. Okay, understand? Next is stone wheels. Okay, stone wheels. So they have used they have used rolled stones. Okay, they have used rolled stones, that rolled stones rolled stones in mountains, and it was in round in shape. Okay, they have used rolled stones in that mountain region which was in round shape. Okay, humans observed to invent wheel. Okay, humans observed that stone wheels and invented wheel. Okay, and beginning stage they have used stone only, and later only they have used wood. Okay, this is a major scientific invention. This is called major scientific invention. Understand? Okay, next is pottery. See, one of the invention is pottery. Okay, pottery is one of the invention. By the baked pot they have used making pottery which looks strong and looks beautiful. Okay, which looks strong and very beautiful. Okay, during Stone Age, people made many household articles themselves. Okay, they were built many household articles for themselves to protect. Okay, next they have built many stone houses. They were built many stone houses. Then house roofs were thatched. Okay, they built stone houses which looks like thatched with sticks and husks. Okay, sticks and husks. Roofs looks very nice. Okay, then they also made several inventions. Okay, several inventions. They have started life properly and settled in proper life. Okay, settled their life in proper way with the use of several inventions. Okay, understand? Next is, this is the period which has written document or called historical period. Okay, the period which has written document I told you, that is history is the record of the past. Okay, record of past events, right? So that written document, okay, that period is called as historical period. Okay, that these documents help us to know about the lifestyles of people. Okay, due by these documents only we are able to know the lifestyles of early people, their events, food habits, culture, art, architecture, etc. Okay, by these documents only we are able to know their early life of their humans. Okay, understand? And one more thing, agriculture is their important activity. Okay, agriculture is the important activity. Okay, first they after they are observing that agriculture is the important activity, they have started cultivating the crops. Okay, for their food. They have started cultivating the crops for their food. Okay, first what they did is they have sowed seeds. Okay, they have sowed seeds and harvested crops in the land. Okay, sowed seeds and harvested crops in the land. Okay, they lead a convenient life. Okay, they lead a convenient life in the river side. Okay, in the river side, as because they have as the river is near to land. Okay, crops are easily growing near the river. Okay, it made a convenient life to the early people. Okay, next comes changes in man's life. Changes in man's life. Okay, first, how the man is changing, okay, in his life. First is man. Okay, next is change to family, then society. Okay, next group. Okay, then at last only administration. Okay, this is the changes occurs in man's life. Okay, at the end of new stone age, they have the early humans invented copper, and during that stage only they have used both stone and copper. They were used. Okay, stone and copper, they were used. Okay, that age is called Chalcolithic age. Okay, then they produced bronze. Okay, then copper, zinc and tin. Okay, mixed. Okay, these they are mixing copper, zinc and tin. They produced bronze. Okay. The period when people make tools from an alloy. Okay, when they used tools by an alloy, that is called bronze. It is called as Bronze Age. Next, humans found iron and started using iron tools and weapons. Okay, then after only the humans invented iron and started using iron tools and weapons. So that age is called Iron Age. Next, they have used household articles, agriculture tools which fully made of iron. Okay, next, many objects are dug out from ground. Okay, many objects are dug out from ground. They are preserved in museum. Okay, for what? To gather information. Okay, to record the past information. For example, in Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur Narikamedu it is very popular. Okay, see, now we can see the classification of prehistoric period. Okay, first is Paleolithic age, that is before 10,000 BC or BCE. Okay, Mesolithic age, Mesolithic middle age, before 8,000 BC. Okay, next is Neolithic age, 10,000 to 4,000 BC. Next, Chalcolithic age, 3,000 to 1,500 BC. Next, Iron Age, 1,500 to 600 BC. Okay, see, that is BC or BCE means BC, that is before Christ. BCE, before Common Era. Okay, AD means anno domini. Okay, CE means common era. Okay, the understand, this is the classification of prehistoric period. Okay students, now in SST second unit was completed. Okay, I gave you assignment, please note it down. Okay, put separate note for social science. Okay, after school reopens I will check it. Okay, take down the assignment. Okay, thank you.